Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome to this session. In this session, the subtopic is how to use the tablet pen, that is nothing but the digital pen, whenever you are taking online lecture. That particular demonstration today I want to show to all of you. This particular slate, that is known as the tablet pen, the power you are supposed to provide to this particular tablet pen is via USB. Please observe here the model number, tablet pen or pen tablet. You will pronounce like this. There are no other elements at the back side of the panel. You will give power by using this USB port. Now I am connecting this port to my PC. Okay, along with this pen they will give stylus. By using this tip you will write on this area, like this you will write something on this area. Same thing will appear in your computer screen. For this model we need to use one battery, one AAA battery, like this. So this is the stylus, or you can say like pen. This is the digital slate. This slate is of the make Eyeball company. In the market, in recent days, one company pen tablet is very popular. That is nothing but Wacom. 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 Wacom pen tablet is very popular in these recent days. That product is readily available in online websites like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. This is from Eyeball company. I purchased nearly 5 to 6 years back almost. From this company also wireless pen tablets are also available. Then no need to use this particular USB cable to connect with your PC. Then this is the wired model. This is somewhat cheaper than wireless model. They will give small CD. Otherwise from the web also you may download the drivers. First of all you need to install the drivers into your PC. Then you are supposed to connect this particular pen tablet to your PC. So how to use this particular device while we are taking the online classes? That demonstration exactly I want to show in this particular session. Is it okay? So go to the web. I already explained Google Jamboard, how to use the Google Jamboard whenever you are taking the online classes. On July 15th, I explained this particular subtopic, Google Jamboard. Here I am clicking the plus symbol. So new page that is appearing to me. Okay, here I am selecting pen. I am selecting red color. So I am writing something with my mouse initially. Now I am using my tablet pen. Now I am using my tablet pen to write something here. Please observe. I am writing something by using my tablet pen. So I am erasing everything. Please observe. I am writing here. We need to readjust. Is it okay? I am writing something on my pad. Same thing you are observing in Google Jamboard. So if you are taking online class, it is very easy to write something by using your tablet pen. So by using Google Jamboard also, you may write something directly here. Here there is a chance to save as the file, or you may share to your students also. The same topic I explained on July 15th. By using, you can download as the PDF also. You can save the frame as image also. All these options are available. To simply write on this particular page, we are using the tablet pen. Next sub point I want to tell to all of you is sourceforge.net. This is one particular website which is popular to download open source softwares. Am I clear? This sourceforge.net website is popular for downloading open source softwares. From this sourceforge.net, in the search box, please type XOURNAL, Xarnal. The pronunciation is Xarnal. XOURNAL. If in your system, if Java is there, comfortably you can run this particular platform. First of all, you are supposed to download this Xarnal. I will show my downloads. I downloaded already Xarnal. I extracted all the files here. Simply from this folder, whenever the requirement is there to you to use this particular software, simply you are supposed to click this particular application file. Xarnal application file, simply you are supposed to click. Let us see what will happen. This particular application file, this particular window will be opened. This particular window will be opened. Please observe here in the tools option, you may select different pen options, different color options, eraser option, everything. In the page, you may observe page color, paper style. If I am selecting the paper style like graph, then here by using my device, simply I may explain I may change color of the line also. Simply I may draw anything or write anything on this particular paper. Undo option is there, which is similar to the MS Word document. Please observe, after undoing everything is clear. Eraser option is there. If I am taking the lined paper, if I am taking a pen, so here I can note down few points while I am explaining the lecture to my students. If I am taking a online class, like the topic name, ICT lecture series, date 27th July 2020. Here actually I want to explain about tablet pen. Is it okay? Please observe. Here simply I am writing on this slate. Same thing you are observing on the screen. Exactly I am explaining about this is a open source software which you may download from the sourceforge.net. Similarly, you will write everything here, and after the class there is a chance to save the complete document as the PDF. Please observe here, export to PDF option is there. I am saving like some ICT session. Immediately you will observe. Let us see. Please observe. So whatever we are writing on that particular XAML file, simply we may save as the PDF also. So in this way, after the particular class, you may supply the material to your students very easily. Immediately you can share that PDF file to your students. They will recall everything. So that is the usage of this particular tablet pen. You may save complete information into the PDF. If you want to prepare notes by using this Xarna software and tablet pen with your handwriting also, simply you can prepare key points and notes, everything, and easily you can share to your students. Suppose one PDF document is there, there is a need to sign on the document. Simply here sign document option is there. By using this particular option, you will click here. By using tablet pen, you may sign on the document also. That chance will be also there simply. So Google Jamboard, by using digital pen, easily you can write here. One particular software explained about the Xarnal. I am closing these two. If you are using Windows 10, if you are using Windows 10 OS, Then Microsoft Whiteboard, that will be one app in your system. Generally Windows Ink Workspace or Microsoft Whiteboard. Those are the two popular key terms to search this particular application, Microsoft Whiteboard or Windows Ink Workspace. Please observe here also so many colors they are available: rainbow pen, galaxy pen, blue pen, green pen, everything. Here some tools are there. By using these tools also you may write simply. Here I am selecting rainbow pen. I am writing something here, please observe. Please observe. Whenever we are writing something with this pen, automatically same characters they are appearing in this place. If you are selecting a roller from this app, then you may draw the line by using this particular roller. Even you can change the pen style also. You may use this highlighter. Here different options are there. You may change the background also. Here also you may use dotted line version, solid line version, graph sheet version. Here also different chances are there in this particular app, Microsoft Whiteboard application. The background color also you may change. Please observe, I am changing to pink now. I am changing to blue now. Is it okay? Whenever I am using white background will come. Is it okay? Simply you can draw the diagram, any equation you can write easily. So whenever you are using this particular supporting device to your online classes, it is very easy to deliver the online class. Even without PPT also you may start the online class. Just you will write the keywords, you will draw the diagram there itself, you will explain everything. So this will be useful similar to your regular board in the class. You will interact with your students by using a platform like Zoom or Google Meet or something. Even you may record your lecture also with help of this particular device. There are so many applications with help of this particular device. Let us see one more application or advantage of this particular device. Math input panel. Here it is. I already explained about the math input panel in starting sessions. Math input panel, that is one popular application in the Windows. Here you may write some math automatically that will convert into equation. Then simply you may insert into the MS Word document. I explained already in the starting sessions of the this program. So please observe here, by using this particular tablet pen, very easily I may write those equations, and simply by using this insert option I may insert in the MS Word document. Is it okay? Simply I may write the equation very easily. I am clearing this one. Little bit practice also is required. Okay. Square root of a that is appearing. If I want to write, so here one option is there, please observe here, select and correct option is there. So I am selecting this particular value. Here I may select like V, W, R, like the possible value I may choose. Then this particular text will be automatically given from this app. So finally, by using insert option, whenever you are clicking this insert, that will be inserted in your document directly. This particular equation that will be inserted in your document very easily. Please observe, very easily you may insert matrices also. So math input panel is one application which is giving the chance to us to write equations. Automatically it will convert into the standard form just by using our mouse or any device like this tablet pen. You may write something here that will convert into the standard form automatically. So to write something by using our mouse, it may be difficult to us. Whenever you are using a device like this, it is very easy to write anything. Then easily you may insert equations also. I will show one more demo. In the Zoom, whenever you are taking the classes using the Zoom platform, please wait, it is coming. In these Zoom meetings, you may share your screen. Along with the sharing of the screen, whiteboard option will be there. Okay, please observe. I created a sample meeting to explain everything to you. Here, sharing of the screen option is there. Please observe. Sharing of the screen option is there. In the sharing of the screen, you may select the complete screen, or you may select any one of the particular window, or please observe here whiteboard option is there. Is it okay? In one window my camera is there, so I am appearing here. Please observe here exactly whiteboard option is there. In the Zoom meeting, whenever you are selecting this particular whiteboard option, if I am sharing it to you, Then please observe here, whiteboard is appearing. So here you may insert the text or you may draw something. Here I am drawing by my tablet pen. By using your mouse, it may be difficult to draw the diagram. Or by using this particular device, it is very easy to draw the diagram and I may explain anything. Formula 1 a plus b by c plus d 2 square plus 9 square LPG CO2, everything you may write. Please observe spotlight option is there. By using this option you may highlight after drawing this particular diagram, you may highlight this resistor, this a plus b, this LPG, you may highlight also. Undo option is there. Undo. Please observe. Slowly I am undoing all the entries. Clear option is there. So easily you may clear. Here also please observe save option is there. Save. You may save the complete drawing. Okay. Here you may type. Whenever you are selecting the text from your keyboard, you are supposed to type something. You are supposed to select a draw if you want to use this particular device. Please observe, I am drawing some diagram. Resistor R, diode, regulated power supply. Is it okay? So basically I am electronics teacher. So I am drawing the diagram of some circuit very easily by using this particular device. So whenever you are explaining something using the zoom, in the screen share option, whiteboard sub option is there. By using that option, nicely you can draw anything. Nicely you can draw easily. I am closing these windows. So whenever you are using the PPT, please observe. This is one slide in the PPT. In the slide, please observe here 4 different options are there. Please observe all of you. In the screen to the extreme left side, please see the bottom part of the left side. 4 different options are there. Here pen option is there. Whenever you are clicking this pen option, arrow, ballpoint pen, highlighter, ink color, you may choose everything here. If I am selecting the red, if I am selecting the ballpoint pen, here I may write anything. Even whenever you are using PPT, in that PPT also you may write anything. Is it okay to everyone? You may highlight the content also. Simply, this particular diagram is there on that slide. I may use this particular option. I am using the ballpoint pen and I am writing something. every day exactly at 5:30 p.m. you may observe this particular session. This program is going to conduct in between 9th to 31st. Similarly, you may write anything. Okay. In this way also you may use this particular tablet pen to add your annotations, to add your comments on the particular slide. At last it will ask, do you want to keep your ink annotations? You may use the discard, then automatically the original slide that will come. Even whenever you are presenting using the PPT from your keyboard, if you are pressing the W, white slide will come. Then you will use this particular pen option to write something. In online classes, if you are using the PPT, then simply press W symbol from your keyboard, then white background will come. White background will come. Then you may write anything. Then you may write anything by using this particular device. Generally in the Google Meet, whenever you are using the Google Meet, screen share option will be there. In the Zoom, whiteboard option is there. It is difficult to show the whiteboard option in the Google Meet. Then what is the solution? In the PPT, whenever you are using the PPT for presentation, just press W from your keyboard, then white slide will appear. Complete white background slide will appear. Then use the pen option and use this particular device and you may write something easily. You may show the diagram and everything. Or else open the Google Jamboard and write down something. Then it is very easy to you to show the equations and everything. So I want to show one demo. Even how to record the lectures by using this particular tablet pen option. Okay, so I will take journal application. So today topic is ICT lecture series. In this session, the usage of the tablet pen I want to convey to all of you by using some external softwares. Along with this tablet pen, you may write something nicely in this area. Even you may save the complete document as the PDF after your class. Here, the background of the page you may choose like the white or ruler or like graph sheet, etc. Here it is very easy to draw the diagrams, even very easy to explain anything to your students. Little bit practice is required to the faculty to draw something. Very easily you will get that experience also. Definitely in the online teaching, this particular device is very useful to us. Very useful to us. So today topic is ICT lecture series. In this session, the usage of the tablet pen I want to convey to all of you. By using some external softwares along with this tablet pen, you may write something nicely in this area. Even you may save the complete document as the PDF after your class. Here, the background of the page you may choose like the white or ruler or like graph sheet, etc. Here it is very easy to draw the diagrams, even very easy to explain anything to your students. Little bit practice is required to the faculty to draw something. Very easily you will get that experience also. Definitely in the online teaching, this particular device is very useful to us. Very useful to us. Is it okay? So simply in this demonstration, I recorded a sample lecture also. My video is appearing in that video. Even I wrote something. So in this way, you may write something on that paper or whiteboard. You may explain any topic and simply you may record your lecture and you may share via YouTube or some any digital platform. So in this way, this session I hope that is useful to you to know the basics of using tablet pen. It is a digital device to write something or to draw something. This is from the Eyeball company. In the recent days, Wacom, WACOM, that company pen tablet that is very popular. So as per your requirement, you may also purchase and use to make our process as easy. These all tools are helping us to simplify the things. These are giving comfort to us whenever we are delivering something by using any online platform. So thank you one and all. This is the end for this session. Thank you.